Hello, in this explain that in this tutorial on how to install your Chatgpt keyboard AI on your Android device. So let's get started. First, open up your Google Play Store account and then type on the search box the Chatgpt keyboard. Just scroll down until you see the AI GPT keyboard. This should look like this. And once you install it, open it up and follow the prompts as well. Just add on the available on-screen keyboard. Just click on OK to every step. Next one is switching to the keyboard. And there you go. You can head on to other searching box and then just try to emulate the AI on your keyboard as well. This will be like a quick access to you whenever you type something. You can ask questions. Note that this may be buggy as whenever you try to leave onto a conversation, the AI wouldn't be able to respond anymore again. So you need to restart your conversation as well. And here you can also do it like a quick search function as well, searching the news and stuff as well. So that's about it. This explained that, and that's how to install ChatGPT's keyboard AI on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.